Luna Classic is ready to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, we got the beautiful confirmation on Luna at the 29 mark, and we traded below and broke that level below at 26. I mentioned that if this happens, it's going to become extremely bearish for Luna, and currently right now, you can see that we are making a pullback right into the resistance of the exponential moving averages. So what's next for Luna? Well, ideally, since we broke this level right here as support, and I mentioned at 27 is going to be a very strong support level, so you have to be careful before you enter. Now that we got confirmation, we can be looking for a shorting opportunity to Luna. This BART pattern is still a play, guys, so you have to be careful about this BART pattern that is mentioned right now. We can see that we had this huge move to the upside. We saw this consolidation and then a continuation on Luna before now we're looking for the massive drop back down and complete this BART formation around the 20 mark, right? If we can hold at that 22 mark and take profits, that would be ideal for Luna, but we have to be careful, right? If we do see a break below that 22, the end of that level should be around that 20 mark for Luna Classic, and then we can look for a possible pullback situation. Now, from the bullish case scenario, obviously right now it doesn't look like there is much here for the shorter time frame, because we can see that we are continuing making lower lows, so we'll possibly be retesting that 22 mark. Depending on how that 22 mark holds, is if we can hold that 22 mark and then see a continuation pattern, that would become a more bullish case scenario for Luna, and then we can possibly be looking for a long entry. We have to get a proper confirmation, though. We don't want something like this, what happened right here, as we see a break and then a drop, and then we have these 2 wicks, right? We have to be careful. We want a clean bounce off that support level at 22 and then a continuation higher. Now, if you look over here on the hourly time frame, you can see we are trading above the exponential moving averages, but we are seeing quite a bit of a resistance pattern, right? We are now trading into that support level that was supposed to hold at 27, and now we're acting as resistance. This usually does become a more bearish case scenario. Ideally, if we can get above that level at 29 and then find support, that would become more bullish for Luna. But as long as we trade below this 29 mark in the shorter time frames, we have to be careful before we enter any long positions. Ideally, something like this can definitely play out, where we actually go and test this 29 mark and then see another move to that 22 to complete on the lower time frames. But we can also see a fake out situation where we actually go have a wick above, like we did right over here, had this wick and then a continuation pattern back to the downside. So we could have another wick right here retesting around that 30 mark and then a continuation pattern back to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.